Aaron, come through. Aaron, just Aaron. Thank you, Ricky. Oh, I didn't turn it off. Okay. Good. Yeah. Aaron's really a pushover. She says, oh, who are you? Okay. All right, you guys babysit. All right? Okay. Aaron, 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 not pop. Thank you, ma'am. She says, oh, you're so handsome. Ooh. Yeah, you're a good girl. Okay.